Hello everybody, I'm excited to have you here with me today because you're about to discover something that can transform your life. Just like they said that information is power. So you're about to hear of an information that transformed my life and many other people's life around the globe. My name is Mrs. Benite. I'm a businesswoman and I've made a lot of money doing the business I'm doing currently, and that is what I'm about to tell you about today. That's what you are going to discover how I've been able to make a lot of money doing this business. If you are someone that wants to work at the comfort of your home, you don't want to stress yourself, you don't need an office space to do this, you don't need a shop, you want to work at your own convenience, you want to be a boss of yourself, you want to have time freedom and financial freedom, I'm welcoming you on board to listen to what I'm about to say to you today. I started this business 2 years ago because I was looking for a safe product for myself. Prior to this time, I just had my fourth baby and I'm having skin challenge. My skin was having some issues. I was having all sorts of skin issues and I was looking for something that I could use, a safe product for myself that would be able to bring me back to that stage that I was before. I'm somebody that loves to look good. I love my skin color and I want to maintain my skin color, but it has been so difficult for me to get a good product that will give me my skin color and make me look good. So all this while I've been using so many products. People have been introducing a lot of products to me, but to no avail. And but so good, after several months I met this person, a friend of mine in Abuja, that told me about the product I'm using. And when I bought the product, I discovered that my skin started glowing and I started looking good. So I decided that if this product can give me this, then it's worth looking at, because I know there are many women around the world that will be having the same problem that I had, which I just got solution to. So I decided to be a brand partner with my company, and all I wanted was just a safe product. I wasn't even looking at making money and all that. I just wanted a safe product. But guess what? I started introducing the product to people, and in a very short period of time I was able to look good, make money, and also have fun. And those are just the three promises of this company: that you are going to make money, you are going to look good, and you are going to have fun. In a period of 6 months that I started with the company, I discovered that I was making a lot of profit just recommending this product to other people. So I make a lot of profit, and I also get paid monthly. Like, it was wow. I started making money monthly and from sales of the products, and the profit is just mouth-watering when I look at the profit, because like I said, I'm a businesswoman, so I have chains of businesses that I'm doing before. But guess what? With this one, I'm making 30% profit on every single product I sell. So this one prompted me to really look in at the business properly, because from other businesses I've been doing, I need a space. I need to rent a space. I need people to work with me, and I have to be there to monitor what is happening. But with this, I only have to buy my products and recommend to people, and this one doesn't even need me to have a space. I don't need to have someone that I'm going to pay on a monthly basis, and it doesn't require me to be 247 in that place. So this one gave me time freedom. I started having time for my kids, which have not been possible before, because before, when I was running my business, I had to wake up early in the morning and rush out to my place of business, stay there all day, and all that. I really do not even have a social life again, because I have chains of businesses that I'm doing. So I'm from one place to another, moving around. At times I'm inside traffic for a whole day and there's nothing I can do about it. So when I now look at this business properly, I discovered that I can stay at the comfort of my home and run my business. I just grab my phone and I'm talking to a lot of people at the same time. And believe me, the profit margin that I'm making in this business is just mouth-watering. I'm sell just a product and I make a lot of money just on one product. Like you just sell one product and you're able to cook a pot of soup. You know, it's as good as that. So I've made money, and in a period of 1 year I started earning 6 figures with this company. So I streamlined the business I'm doing. I just have to streamline and focus on this one, and from there, you know, the company says I'm going to look good, which I've achieved. I'm going to make money, which I've achieved, and I'm going to have fun. And the fun aspect of it just blow me up. Like in a year I have access to travel 3 times in 1 year. So the very first year I started the business, I qualified for a travel, which is a local travel. And when only the local travel just told me that I'm in the right place, because you are treated like a star, because every brand partner with this company is a star. When you start this business, you are considered as a star. So we were lodged in a 5-star hotel, you know, 5-star treatment. Everything was just mouth blowing. And so from that time I gave it my attention to the business, and believe me, today I've been able to build a network of people in my team. I've been able to raise a lot of managers in my team that are also earning good money monthly. And so if you are interested in a business that you can run at your own comfort, a business that will give you time freedom, a business that doesn't require much, you don't need a space, you don't need to rent a bogus space for it. In fact, you don't need a space to run your business. You don't need to move an inch. All you need to do is to get a phone. I believe most people have phone. You have a phone that you can browse with. You don't know what the access you have. When you just have a browsing phone, you can do a lot. You can make your millions. You can make your millions with my company with only your browsing phone. So come on board with me now and let's discuss. Let's go down to the business aspects. I know you are interested already, because I know you want to make money in this 2022, and you have access to you are going to meet a lot of other brand partners that have made it in this business, that are earning millions per month in this business. And believe me, everybody is a teamwork. You are not alone. We are going to be working together. We are going to be doing the business together. It isn't that you start today then you are on your own. No, you are going to be in the community of people who are making it. And so let's go down to the business aspect of the discussion. All right, so what do I mean? What's this business I've been discussing about? Is money that transformed my life, and over 60,000 people in Nigeria alone, and in 66 countries of the world. We have this business there for over 54 years. You won't believe it. Oriflame has been in existence for 54 years. So in Nigeria presently, we are 7 years old, and we have over 60,000 brand partners spread across the states of Nigeria. So you can travel to any state in Nigeria and still meet Oriflame in that state. So what is our strength? What is Oriflame all about? We discovered that there's so many toxic around the world, and the system itself is toxic. What we eat is laid with a lot of chemicals. What we put on our bodies are full of chemicals, and these chemicals have side effects. So Oriflame decided that we are going to be producing products that are basically safe, with no harmful chemicals in them. So when you hold an Oriflame perfume, you are holding something that is made out of flowers, out of trees, and doesn't contain any harmful chemicals. They are basically safe for your skin. When you use our body cream, our face cream, you are using something that your skin will be happy with. You are using something that won't hurt your skin, and you know that you are being safe, because you are not going to be afraid of any side effect from chemicals from other creams that we might be buying from our cosmetic shops. So how do you become a brand partner with Oriflame? Number one, if you are hearing me this month, I want to congratulate you, because we have free registration for everybody in this month of January. You are coming in free without paying the normal registration fee. So you are just coming in, and then you are buying directly from the company at the company price, and you are reselling at 30% profit. You are going to be reselling those products, and you are going to be making 30% profit. That's how you make money. Then you now go ahead and tell other people about your new business. You are telling people about the product, and these people also register and they are selling their own bits. Then you are also going to make money. Now you will now be asking me, how much can you start with? You will be surprised that we don't even have any. Like, you are starting with, at least at the lowest stage, you are starting with the as low as any amount that you have. We don't have go and bring 300,000. We don't have go and bring 1 million. No, you are going to start with a very low capital. It's a business you can start with as little as 50,000, 60,000, and you are going to make 30% profit on this your money. And then you tell your friend about the business, and your friend is doing it, and your friend tell another friend, another friend tell another friend, and then you build a network of people doing the same business, and then you start making your money. So you are registering for free this month, and that is not all. When you make profit, you're also getting things that we call free accessories. What do I mean by free accessory? We have a lot of things that on a monthly basis you are getting all these things for free. It can be a wristwatch. It can be, like, I don't buy wristwatch. This is one of our free accessory. I have many bags. I hardly buy bags again, because my company gives me quality bags, quality wristwatch, to perfumes. You get free accessory every month. You are getting something from the company. And not only that alone, like I said before, that when you register for free this month, you are also getting a package, a free package. When you buy your products, you are getting a free package, and you are making 30% profit. And don't forget what I've said before. We're also talking about having fun with Oriflame. Like this month, you are coming in this month, and in this month you are able to meet some targets which you are setting for yourself. Don't forget that we are not like every other maybe a lot of people have done many other networking business before. Oriflame is not networking business. It's not a networking business. Oriflame is a direct selling company. Like, you are selling and you are making your profit, then you tell other people how to sell, they make their profit as well, and so everybody do the business in their own bits. You are not going to bring 1 million and buy products and start stocking them. No, you are just going to buy your bits on a monthly basis. Like selling 60,000 in 30 days. Who can do that? Everybody can do that. Even the people selling pure water on the street, they can sell 60,000 in 30 days. So that is your expectation in Oriflame. You are just coming in, selling that little amount, and then you are making your profit. Then you tell a friend how to do that, and your friend is doing it and is also making profit, and you are building a network of people, and you are getting paid. And this payment can amount to millions. All right, so let me call a brand partner with Oriflame to share our own testimonial about how he has been able to make money, have fun, and also she's also looking good, as you are going to be seeing for yourself.
Hello everyone, my name is Moshokwe Tembeluwa Olamide, and I am a manager with Oriflame. I joined Oriflame just last year, and I've been able to achieve a lot of things because when I talk about time freedom, Oriflame have given me time freedom. I have time for myself and looking good. I mean, am I not looking good? Like, Oriflame promises you to look good, to make money, and to have fun. You look good aspect is all our products are basically natural and they don't have any harmful effects on your skin. Then the making money, Oriflame has really helped that, because my first alert from Oriflame was 9,000 naira aside from my profits. I just bought products worth 200k, 150 thereabouts, and I was able to take just 9,000 naira for compensation take aside from my 30% profit. Then having fun. Oriflame has been amazing when it talks about fun. I've been to 3 different occasions with Oriflame and it has been fun filled. Like when I mean fun filled, all expenses on Oriflame, everything. And as you can see, this is also Oriflame. As on what? Just talk it, say it. You want to look good, you want to make money, you want to have fun. Oriflame is all that you need. So say yes today.
Hello, I am Perpetua Aduile, a director with Oriflame and an ambassador of the Freedom Tribe. I've been enjoying immediate profit from sale of Oriflame products since I started, and also enjoying monthly alerts from the company. My first alert from the company was 2,317,000. But for over a year now, I've been earning in 6 figures, and I just got recognized in our recent director seminar as one of the Oriflame millionaires. All I am saying is, making money with Oriflame is real.
Hello there, my name is Sharon Fekwarela Adegbeye. I'm a senior diamond director with Oriflame Nigeria, currently the number 2 leader in Nigeria, and also the fastest growing leader in Africa. I've been traveling with Oriflame for the past 3 years. Since 2016, I've gone to different countries with Oriflame: Denmark, Sweden. I've been to Paris. I've been to different countries on a ship cruise. I'm going to Stockholm. I'm going to Los Angeles. It's just amazing how you can travel, and not just you. You can travel with your spouse. I've traveled with my husband, and now I'm even working towards traveling with my kids. That's what you can have with Oriflame. Now, when you travel with Oriflame, it's not like normal. You just pass through Libya or something. No. You're gonna go like a celebrity, when you land, when your plane lands like this, there are people already at the airport trying to welcome you. Presidential welcome, 5-star hotel, beautiful, environment, great tours, good food. You just have to experience fun with Oriflame. When Oriflame say we give you fun, they give you fun.
All right, I hope you've enjoyed the testimonial from my brand, from the other brand partners. Now, what is it for you in this 2022? Do you want to make extra income? Do you want to be able to afford a life of luxury that you've always desired? Do you want to travel the world for free? Do you want to look good using a safe product for yourself? All this is what you are going to get when you start today, when you start the business with Oriflame. And trust me, you will be happy that you are taking the right step this time of the year, because the year is just starting and it is good for you to start on the right foot. So if it is a yes for you, you are going to see a link around this video. Just click on it and then we'll get you started immediately.